What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I am Alex Coleman, and I'm a sales and leasing consultant at Schottenkirk Toyota, Quincy, Illinois. It is Wednesday morning. I am on my way into work. Got some follow-up to do this morning with my appointment that showed up yesterday, and then my no-show appointment. I got to give her a call and see if we can get her in and sell her a vehicle. But other than that, pretty quiet day. Today is my half day. I leave at 3 for doctor's appointments, but yeah, it's supposed to turn really cold and snow this afternoon, so we'll see if we get that. But anyway, I'll take you along for the ride today. On today's episode of What'd we get off the transport? Well, once he gets all whatever we're getting unloaded, I will definitely show you guys what we got. Well, let's see what we got off the transport truck. Looks like a all-wheel drive limited RAV and Ruby Flare with a gray interior. Cement Tacoma, which we saw a lot of in that color, very popular color. Just a standard off-road 39.6. Looks like an SR5. Is it premium? Yep, SR5 premium 4Runner with the blackout package, very nice on there. And then another Voodoo Blue. This one's an off-road. It's like just a base off-road. A couple options. Love that color. And then a Blue Flame LE all-wheel drive RAV for $28,800. So looks like we got some nice stuff off the truck. So these should be PDI'd, cleaned up, and on the lot shortly. Another transport. Looks like 3 Highlanders on top and a Sienna. So we'll run back there and see what we're getting. Ooh, there's Highlanders on the bottom. Sweet. Well, looks like we're just getting a white limited Highlander with the 12-inch screen. So definitely do a video on the 12-inch screen for you guys too. It's badass. Well, we're checking used cars still. Got Dead Soldier 2007 Tundra, and she's Dead Soldier. So I'm gonna set you guys up here somewhere. Set you guys right there. Now, red on red and black on black. There's a black on red and red on black. Oop, had a spark. Let me see if she starts. Let this one run for a few minutes, and I'm gonna go drive this 2016 diesel High Country Chevy. Just a little snow. Check this out. (2020) the big screen. First one that's not sold. Check it out. So I'm going to give you guys on the vlog here a little bit of a sneak peek of my video for tomorrow on the 12-inch screen on the Highlander. So here it is. Here's, I'm going to do an in-depth video on it for tomorrow. So you have your climate on this side, radio, and then navigation. It's got a really cool feature with your surround camera, which you can change there, and then you can even configure a different color. But make sure you watch tomorrow's video for a full in-depth on everything on this awesome screen. So I had a viewer request on lease payments on the Supra and the Camry TRD. I'm going to do the Supra. It's a $56,140 MSRP and 36 months, 12,000 miles a year. It's about $972 right there. And then on the 2020 TRD Camry, which is right over here, I don't know if you can see it or not, right over my shoulder. It's a 083 MSRP, and again 36 months, 12,000 miles a year. That leases for about $611 a month. But yeah, just wanted to do that. That was a viewer request I got the other day on lease payments on those cars. Another cool thing I just got word of is Camry all-wheel drive. So this is the first Camry in all-wheel drive since like 91, 92, something like that. I've got two coming. I've got an XSE in windshield pearl, and then this one's equipped with the panoramic sunroof, cold weather package, looks like all-weather mats, and then I've got a Galactic Aqua SE that has blind spot monitoring, the convenience package, which is your smart key, and then all-weather mats on it as well. I do not have pricing on either one of these yet. They won't be built until March, middle of March, so probably an April delivery if I had to guess. But thought I'd share that with you guys as well. Pretty exciting stuff. And also the Avalon is coming out in all-wheel drive as well for 21, so that'll be a 21 model year. So keep an eye out for both of those, and of course I'll keep you posted when we get them. Look at this big behemoth. So just traded for this. It's an 04. Cool thing with this truck is it is a 5.9 Cummins. Just want to heat up the glow plugs here. So these trucks don't hit the market very often. We just traded for this one. It's got 164,000 miles on it. Really good shape, really nice truck. I'm just gonna park it on the lot and sell it. Well guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to pack as much content in it as I could. But again, stay tuned tomorrow for Tech Tip Thursday with the amazing 12-inch screen on the 2020 Highlander. And of course, I will see you guys on Friday. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Lets me know you guys like the videos, and comment below. And again, I'll see you guys on Friday.